I'm okay. Hello, I'm back.
Today, you're gonna be looking at me because I am her daughter. Thumbnail. 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 Oh.
Your fault again.
That's the point.
It's been a while since I've done a video like this, but I decided to bring these back because I don't see anyone doing these no more on YouTube, and these were truly my favorite kinds of videos to film and to watch. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a huge unboxing slash haul. I really don't know what I'm going to call it, but I am finally trying out the very hyped up new app called TEMU. I hope I'm saying it correctly, TEMU. I have been seeing this shopping app talked about so much lately. It is kind of a mix between Amazon and Wish, where the products are super affordable, the shipping is pretty quick. This is my first time trying the app. I ordered a bunch of random things on there. I don't even remember what I got. So this is kind of going to be a mystery unboxing. I am so excited to dig in. So without further ado, let's tear this up. My package was delivered like this. It looks like the mailman or someone cut into it. So I'm just gonna open it. Looks like everything is individually packed in here, so I'm just gonna, one by one, see what these are.
What in the world?
Do you guys, I'm speechless. I'm not sure what to say about this. This elephant decor, pretty random, but super cute, and the quality on these are really amazing. The only thing is it's super small. I thought it'd be a lot bigger, but I think we're gonna make it work. Next, let's see what's in here. I do love how they individually packaged everything. Oh, this was like a few cents, and it's just like a little decor, you know? And then we have this. I think I know what this is. Yeah. Oh no, it has a little crack in the back. I believe this was like $1. It's a cute little candle and it lights up. No? Okay. What do we have here? Do you see it? It's a heart-shaped rug. So soft, perfect for Valentine's Day or any day really. I'm definitely going to be using this in my beauty room, on my feet when I do my makeup. Oh my gosh, so soft. Surprisingly, it's pretty good quality. No shedding or nothing. Ooh, what is this? Let's see. It's gonna be a mess. Ta-da! It's another decor piece. It's like a person just chilling. You can add books next to it so they can stay up on a shelf or something like that. I don't know, I thought it'd be a really nice decor piece for one of my shelves. Random, I know, but it looks really cool and good quality. It's very heavy. This! Yay! I've always wanted one of these. You can chop onions, garlic, herbs, anything like that. Ooh, we got another pretty big package in here. Wow, this was packaged really nicely and it didn't get destroyed because this is a really nice vase. As you can see, it's made out of glass. Wow, this is so cool and really great quality. I was imagining it kind of looking like this. You get the point. I'll figure it out. There's also a little mini one, so they'll go together. I got a toothbrush. Yep, I did, and I was surprised at how freaking cheap this was because it looks like one of my Sonic toothbrushes. Comes with extra heads for like flossing or whatever. It works so well too. Vibrates, super cute and compact. This is the little charging station they can put. Ooh. It has different settings: soft, white, clean. Ta-da! Again, another home decor piece. I was really into their home decor. I was surprised at how cheap they were, so I had to snatch myself some really nice pieces, and I gotta tell you, I'm really into this. I'm gonna plug it in and show you guys what it looks like and everything, but I love it. Next, we have this earwax remover tool. I bought one from Amazon before. It was pretty pricey and it didn't work. It looks like this, like a little pen with the light. See, the light comes on and off. And then you go in your ear and you connect it to your phone and you're supposed to see inside your ear and remove stuff. It comes with a charger and different little tools in there. Super great value for the price, that's for sure. What is this? Love the packaging. Okay, so this must be. Look at all these eyelashes. And look how many comes in a pack. Alright, we're getting down to the bottom of this package. Next we have these. And these are pretty heavy. I can tell they're going to be really good quality. There's so many, I did not expect this. Can you tell what these are? You guessed it. Utensils. These are the nice gold with black. They had silver and rose gold, I believe, but I'm definitely into gold, so I got the gold ones. I cannot wait to start using these. And then we have this big boy. Let's see what's inside. I think it's a blanket if I'm not mistaken. Ooh, this is soft. Peekaboo. I'm just kidding. This is a huge blanket. Let's see, what does it say? Oh, this says daughter and then a bunch of other things. I think I got this for my daughter because her birthday was recently. Got you something for your birthday. I know it came kind of late. But can you read what it says?
To my daughter.
Aw, so cute, isn't it? I think she loved it. Alright, we got a few more things. Next is this. And this. And this. I'm not really sure what these are. I don't remember. This looks like they should be connecting to something, but it didn't come with anything else. It just came alone. I don't know what to tell you about this one. Okay, and lastly, I got a ton of lashes, and you guys, all of these were like $1. I was shook. I got these. They're little individual clusters, and they have these little like wispies you could add on. I will be doing a whole separate video showing you guys how I use all of these. And I also got these, just falsies. Look how much came in a whole pack for $1. These have a little color at the outer corners. I thought they looked really cool. I cannot wait to do a lash look with these. I also got these. I plan on cutting these up and using them as lash extensions. I also got these. These are, again, individual clusters. And then we have these kind of clusters. They're a little bit smaller. Can't wait to try them out. You guys, this will probably last you a whole year, okay? I mean, lashes for days and days and days. Stay tuned, I will have a video coming up soon showing you how I use all the lashes that I got. The amount of lashes that you can get for the price is a little crazy. That basically concludes this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I will try to leave everything I mentioned in my description box below. Have you tried TEMU yet? If you have, let me know what you think about them in the comments down below. I reached out to them and was able to get a 30% discount code for you guys. Even though everything's already so affordable, you can get even more money off with code STAY783. Thank you all so much for taking some time out of your day to sit and watch another one of my videos, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye!